What's going on, guys? Rods Over Brakes here. So I'm on vacation and brought this along. Today we're unboxing a little STEM RC kit that's actually built for those younger makers or those new to the hobby. Predominantly is made out of wood and has screws, and they even actually include, which I think is pretty cool, a magnetic screwdriver to really help make the assembly a breeze. Now the coolest part about this kit is it comes with a real steering servo. It's actually a 3-wire 9-gram servo, which is really rare for a kit this affordable. I think it's a perfect cheap way to learn the basics, whether you build the stock model as per the instructions in the box, or use the electronics in your own custom chassis. Now this isn't a sponsored video, but I do promote things that I think are earning of the mention. Everything was really well numbered, the instructions were very clearly marked, so overall, a super fantastic kit, and I think everyone would have a really good time with it. Or if you have a kid that's interested in this hobby, this is a perfect entry-level thing that does just a really nice job overall. I'm just going to do a short build montage, and at the end of the video we'll show it working. I can't ruin all the surprises for you. Anyways, here's the video. And that's about it for the building process. It was pretty quick, pretty easy, and definitely a lot of fun. So here it is in action. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.